invite you to participate in our Easter Science webinar. We will show fun experiments linked with Easter that you can try at home too. If you want to follow along, you can do it from your kitchen. We will show fun experiments linked with Easter and you can try them at home too. You might need simple materials like eggs, vinegar, salt, some water and heavy books. See you there.
Go.
So, why not join Ruth and I at our next Science on Stage webinar on March the 12th for some experiments with eggs that you can do at home. March the 12th, 5:30 Central European Time or 4:30 English, Scottish, Portuguese and Irish time. Experiments.